What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you how to do the reverse double unders crossovers. If you're new to this channel, you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification. So this move is one of the intermediate move in the community, and I'd love you to learn it. But the first thing you need to learn, or the first thing you need to get, is a good jump rope to better learn this move. After getting a good jump rope, adjust it to the most comfortable size for you. If you're a beginner, please kind of overflow the rope. If you're tall, overflow the rope to give you that maximum space for you to jump through, because this is a cross move. I need to limit the length of the jump rope as you cross or enter into the cross. So once you get that done, the next thing you should learn is to learn the reverse jump. You need to practice the regular reverse jump to get your wrist and your hand positioning acquainted to this move, so it will be a lot easier for you. After learning that, you need to learn the reverse double unders, which we've made a great tutorial on this channel, so check that out. We'll link it up here or in the description for you to go check out, and you'll be very good at this move. So after learning these things, you need to learn the double unders crossovers to give you the feel from the forward before you kind of reverse it. But the main thing you need to learn with this move is your hand movement, guys. Into the crossovers reverse, you don't need to move your hands this way slavishly, because to make it a lot difficult for you. But if you kind of create this movement, like once you're going behind, you kind of go this way, your handles point behind while you're kind of embracing yourself, then you open it wide to whip open, and you continue with this movement. Create the rhythm while you do this move. So once you can apply these few things we've mentioned, I'll show you this move will be a lot more easier for you. So to show you what this move look like and how to practice without the rope, so first you need to do the regular bounce reverse. Notice what my wrist is doing. Wrist action is very important to keep the move flowing, easy, smooth and steady. So from the reverse, kind of enter, reverse double unders. Make sure your hands are kind of close to your body. If you open it too wide, it narrows the length of the rope and it trips on you. Remember, you're coming from behind. You can't really spot the direction of the rope from behind, so you need to, as much as possible, maintain a good form. So once you're good with those few tricks, you kind of enter the reverse. Now, this is not like the forward crossover. This is the backwards crossover, so there will be some kind of differences in the rhythm, and the difference will just be a slow drag or a slow delay for you to get that cross locked in. Remember, forward crossovers, you can just go in straight up, maintaining the previous rhythm you created. But for the reverse, right, you kind of, because the rope is coming from your front to kind of cross over you before you can pass through, there's this delay, so you need to maintain that delay rhythm to nail this move like a professional. So let me show you what this move look like, and we'll continue. Front, yeah, you notice that? I'll show you again, because that first one kind of look whacked. So you need to jump as high as possible to make sure you clear that space for the rope to pass through, because of that delay I told you earlier. So maintain that good height and you'll be fine with this move, guys. So from reverse jump, and here you're into the move. It's kind of difficult, guys, but once you understand this move, it will be a lot easier for you. So I'll show you from different directions and possibly enter the slow motion version of this tutorial so you understand the hand positioning and movement. I'll be good with this move. So let's enter the slow motion, guys. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you practice this move to get very good at it, and yeah, You've been learning it in a very short time. And comment down below what you feel so difficult about this move. Is it the timing? Is it that delay? Make sure you practice. Let us know. We'll enlighten you on how to get it properly and standing in it like a professional. Also, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Share it with your friends still learning or trying to add more jump rope tricks to his jump rope trick collection. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, hands-on, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.